He's really sad. He's actually 7 years old. This is Caitlin Clark, and this is Anastasia Rivera. That's the proof for Michael Jordan. Yep, and it's Michael Jordan, and this one here is Caitlin Clark. We named them all our demons, and the litter before this was all in that different practices. So now we're going to ask if any of the guests have questions. We'll do a few questions, and then if you have questions after that, I'll be on my merchandise table over here. Today's one of my biggest fundraisers of the year for my channel. I don't have big sponsors, and I'd say the Guest of Princess is my biggest supporters. And the t-shirt that I'm wearing here, I do have for sale. And it's me and my team coming across the finish line of the I Did It Right. So yeah, the t-shirt is me and my team coming across the finish line of the I Did It Right the year that we won. And then on the back is a list of all the dog names that were on my team that year. I did bring a Sharpie and I could autograph it as well. And I'll explain a couple of the other items. I have a stuffed Alaska Huskies, and then I have a Christmas ornament of our dog Scott. It's a puppy love on the Christmas ornament. I even have 3 items that we call the Ultimate Fan Package. You can help us buy a bag of dog food, and you get the red combustion patch of our dogs Wildflower, Sky, and Brady. And then I do have a new program called Sponsored Dog Program, and he's going to show you the different photos here. If you sponsor a dog, you get a photo of your dog, and you also get this green bag here. Inside the green bag has the Christmas ornament, the Remington Muskie pin, the Remington Muskie patch, the certificate, and it comes with a t-shirt. And also, we feature information where we can video call and introduce you to the dog that you sponsor. And then a few times throughout the year, while we're training for the I Did It Right Dog Mushroom, we'll video call with you, and you can watch your dog run the mushroom do the magic. And and now we're going up for the guests if you have any questions. Yes, sir. Yeah, the question is, how long do the dogs last for